Matinva, Kmirahau. Happy Resurrection Day. Probably been wondering where I've been. Haven't made a video in a while, and I want to thank everyone for just all of the comments and questions and discussions on all my other videos, whether you're watching because I'm learning Japanese or Gaelic or Cymraeg. I really appreciate that. So, diolch yn fawr. Cwchba, coffee, glaive lasta. Hala bria yn Jew, agus hala bla yn Jew. Chaniel la che, riescht. Vo me choski ach chaniel miski and Jew. So one of the reasons why I've not been making any new Lingo Kingdom videos lately is because, as some of you may know from some of the other videos, my wife and I are expecting our son, and now the due date is only like a month away. So as we get closer and closer to the due date, I have less and less time, and then especially once the baby gets here, be quite busy getting to know him. So thanks everyone for sitting tight and just watching the videos I have now and being patient before I have time to make some new videos about Gaidhlig, about Nihongo, about Cymraeg. So I appreciate the patience and all the support and all the enthusiasm with, all the folks, all y'all out there who are interested in learning the languages of the Isles. I'm still learning. I want to do a kind of a language update soon to kind of show how much progress I've made in the different languages, how little progress I've made in some of the other ones. But yeah, I've been so thrilled at how popular some of my videos are, especially the ones for Cymraeg and Gaidhlig. It just makes me so glad that I've been learning these languages, these lost to my family, at least, heritage languages, because I had ancestors who spoke these languages, and then they throughout the generations it was lost. And so now I'm kind of reclaiming these heritage languages. So I'm just thrilled that there's so many other people that are encouraging me with this. I'm down here in North Carolina, and I've got folks in Scotland and Wales and other parts of the world who are saying, yeah, keep it up. So that's really cool. I especially have been enjoying getting more and more into Gaidhlig. That is, I think, of the three languages I'm learning, I think that's the one that I want to introduce to my son first, as he starts to, after he's born and starts to get a little older. Of course, along with English, the more I learn about Gaidhlig, just the more enjoyable it is. I've just been really enjoying, Learn Gaidhlig with Jason course that I've talked about in some of my other videos. So definitely recommend that you check that out if you want to learn Gaidhlig and you've not already gotten that course. I've been going through it and it is awesome, so I definitely recommend that. And I'll have a link for that down in the description. So yeah, hope you have a great Resurrection Sunday, and from wherever you are in the world. And Chiri and Drasta.